Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is Alex. Welcome back. If you are a returning subscriber, I always say to stay subscribed to my channel. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So guys, today is all about bends, but today I'm going to be taking you through on a journey of how to make your bends like a pro. At the same time, you will be saving your gas. Are you ready? Then let's go. Have you ever wondered why our grandmothers soak their beans before cooking? Soaking dry beans actually provides lot of health benefit. Just in case you don't know, not only does soaking beans help to shorten the cooking time of your beans, it actually has health benefits to you. It actually helps in food digestion. Soaking beans helps to break down some harmful substances. Here is how to cook beans to make the most of it. It reduces cooking time. Soaking beans actually helps your beans to soften very well and helps to reduce the cooking time and helps you to have a stress-free experience in your kitchen. So you want to soak your beans for like an hour or 1.5 hours before you cook them. By this way, you're doing yourself a good favor and you're trying to economize everything you do in your kitchen by making sure that your beans does not take long before it is ready. Like a lot of people, like I know a lot of people that they don't really like cooking beans. Ask me why. Just because they are trying to save their gas. And with this, you can go ahead and cook your beans as many times in a week as you want, because now you're economizing very well by what? Soaking your beans for hours or for 1.5 hours or for 30 minutes or for an hour before you cook your beans. By that, you're going to be saving your gas and you're going to be saving yourself unnecessary stress. So number 2 is when you soak your beans easily digests. You don't just eat your beans and then you're still feeling the beans somewhere around your stomach and you're like, this thing is not digesting very well, and it starts to makes you uncomfortable in your stomach. Beans contains complex sugars called oligosaccharide, and you have these complex sugars in your beans, and when you soak it, you are trying to shred some sugars out of your beans. Complex sugars, as a result, it causes bloating and foaming. It makes your food difficult to digest, hence causing bloating and gas. Soaking beans helps to break down all of the sugars, hence making it easy for your digestive system. Okay, so you want to try to soak your beans. Next point, soaking beans has helped to reduce anti-nutritional chemicals, hence improving your cooking quality. Note that when you're buying your beans from the market, there is insect that disturbs beans. Just let me know. It skipped my mind the name of this insect that you find in your beans. Those insects can be so annoying, and all those market women and market men, they try to preserve these beans. If you notice, in your beans, there are preservative in your beans. And some beans, they bring it out to the market to sell all those beans to you, and all those beans should, before all those chemicals die down, before all those preservative, before you can consume all these preservatives, it has to take weeks or so months before people can start consuming that type of beans. Now tell me, if you started eating all those type of beans and peradventure already preserved the beans just 2 days ago, and you are this person, you are ignorant, and you went to the market to purchase this particular beans that has just been preserved with chemicals, the next day you are in your home cooking beans, that same beans that the chemicals that has been used to preserve the beans has not yet taken longer time, it is still as fresh. So all those chemicals in your beans, you never can tell. Buying from the market, you can be like, I just bought it from the market and there is no insects that's used to chop up our beans. You cook the beans that has a fresh preservative, that is so, what it costs your body system. You soaking your beans with warm water per boiling it, that has helped to kill certain germs, certain preservatives that are not yet consumable from your beans. You want to try as much as possible to start soaking your beans before you cook them. Not only does it help to economize your gas or to make the cooking time shortened, it also helps you from consuming preservative that you never knew existed. When it comes to nutrient absorption, it takes 2 things. Number 1, calcium, zinc, and iron. Number 2 of it is that it helps you from consuming preservatives. So the last but on the list is better texture and enhanced flavor. Guys, on this, your beans is going to soften very nicely. Not that you have a beans pretty soft and then another beans is hard, and then you're gonna eat it together. That combo is not nice. You have all the combination of your minerals well settled in your beans. You have all your nutrients well absorbed, calcium, your iron, it is well into the beans. And when it comes to shredding all those toxins, you've shredded more than enough toxins. Another thing is, by soaking your beans and having an oak white rice to have a better texture, by that you've already removed the excess, preservative and the chemicals and fertilizers that have been used to preserve that beans. You've shredded it all away. When you soak your beans, you reduce a larger part of your cooking time, and it makes your cooking stress-free. You guys should know that flavor of your beans will be maintained if all of those chemicals of this oligosaccharide sugars that has been stored in your beans has been shredded, and the minerals has been maintained in your beans. Then the flavors, the pepper, the onions, the crayfish, everything you had into your beans is going to come out and smell as natural as possible. You're going to have in your beans flavor coming out. I want it to really stick into you guys to know all the the nutrients that are attached to your beans, and you might be losing them if you are not cooking your beans the right way. It's not all about cooking beans, but it is about cooking your beans the right way. If all of these ingredients are in your beans, all the flavors are going to come out rightly. When you have already done the needful, you're going to love it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from it. If not much, I hope you learned something tangible from this video. So guys, we brings me to the end of today's video. This video is going to be in 3 series, so this is the end of the part 2 of our beans series. I'll see you guys next time. My name is Telex. Bye for now. And before I go, in case you're not subscribed to my channel, please and please, I'm begging you, make sure to hit the subscription button down below. It's by your right. You guys should just stare at the right hand side of your phone wherever you're watching me from. I'm sure it's by the right. I'm sure it is by the right side. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye for now.